of Jacob, brand new. They send you help from the sanctuary and strengthen you out of Zion. May He grant you according to your heart's desire. We will rejoice in your salvation. In the name of our God, we set up our banner. May the Lord fulfill all your petitions. Now I know that the Lord slays His anointed. He will answer him from His holy heavens with the saving strength of His right hand. Some trust in chariots, some in horses,